Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, I give you here an update on Gamestop GME because we are sitting here at the edge to see a short squeeze or a continuation of the short squeeze which has been initiated here in May 2024. If you are new to my channel, guys, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. Usually I do that by showing here short squeeze stocks, not only showing them, I really try to predict short squeezes here on my channel. I even did that already here for GameStop. Here the yellow line was the day when I informed my members here about an upcoming short squeeze for GME. I released here my member video at the 16th of April and said there is a very likely a squeeze will happen for AMC and GameStop. So we can check very quick trading view what happened here since I released the video, because GameStop is trading here in a descending chart pattern here, where the blue box is more or less the support of this of the price, at least for the squeeze in May, and this yellow descending line here is compressing the price. So that was the reason why it has been very predictable when we see here a short squeeze. As I said, the release of my video was here that day. Let's use TradingView to see what happened right now, and then of course I show you the next price actions, what I do expect for GameStop. So when we simulate that, we can see if I was right or wrong with my prediction. We had already a fake out here. The price came back down exactly in my blue box. And that was the beginning of the short squeeze, guys. So trading is not too difficult. If you understand how chart techniques work, then you also know how to trade these tickers. And now I will explain you why we are here at the edge of seeing maybe a continuation of the short squeeze here for GameStop, guys. This is of course here not financial advice. This is everything here based on my opinion and based on the chart. So let's now dive in here into the daily chart. We have here one significant price level for GME, and this price level, guys, is waiting at $24.07. This is the so-called make it or break it price level, and we almost closed over this price level here on Friday. So I will mark that here in pink color, because it's really a strong resistance. When the price is trading below that, it is a resistance, guys, and when we trading above that, it became a support, or become a support for GameStop. And we had now here several attempts to break out. The problem is, guys, that we have here the earning report in 4 days, and when we see the volume which had been traded here for GME on Friday was 23.8 million. The average volume is just 5 million. So the bulls are here, and the bulls want to break this price level here, guys. As I just said before, I predict here a lot of short squeezes on my channel. Therefore, I just released a brand new update on my so-called hot stocks, guys. This video is available right now today, and this video here contain tickers with high short squeeze potential. If GameStop should not squeeze, I will show you of course here now the price levels, but if GameStop should not squeeze, guys, no worries. We have so many squeezing stocks in the market. Just yesterday, guys, one of my hot stocks, which I already released here in August, squeezed 1400%. Also, I released here a video for my members. I alarmed them. We knew that we had here a price level. There was one shakeout, and then we squeezed here 1400%. One of my swing trade alerts, which I post here on Patreon, was squeezing 662%, of course, also after I released the prediction here on Patreon. Another hot stock squeezed 205% after my prediction. Guys, you get the point. So there are many opportunities in the market. Yes, GameStop has high squeeze potential, and we're trading here in a very interesting price range right now. It looks quite good here, the support. But as I said, there are also many other plays in the market, so it's not wise to just go all into one stock. You should diversify a little bit, and there are many opportunities out there to make cash every week here in the stock market, guys. If you want to join in here our trading community, we have already here more than 1,000 members here already. You can join in the Elite Circle membership. There you only get access to my member videos and my hot stock videos, guys. The much more popular membership is the Patreon full package membership, where you also of course have access to my member videos, to the brand new hot stock videos, guys, of course, and to my trading alerts, which I just show you here right now. We had here a 660% squeeze here just in the last week of August, guys. The link to the memberships are here in the video description. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, guys. Everybody is welcome. So, guys, why do I release this video? We are here at the make it or break it price level. The problem is that we have the earnings for GameStop next week, at least if this is true, what TradingView is telling us here. And it is of course very possible that the bulls trying here to create some FOMO, right? To create some hope for the investors. as long, guys, this is my opinion, yeah, not a financial advice, as long as we don't break $24.06 or 7 cents, no, usually it's 7 cents, then we are not bullish yet, guys. This is not a technical breakout yet. We need to break $24.06 to have a bullish price action. If this happens, there is plenty room for a small squeeze and of course for a bigger squeeze. The smallest squeeze, which I expect to happen here for GameStop, guys, is here $33. This is one of the resistance price levels which we have if we just see here an algo pump and not a big short squeeze. So that would mean that here is just a price action incoming of about 37%, which is good for swing traders, but of course nothing for people who want to see here a short squeeze or even a MOAS. We have still here an open gap in the daily chart at $72, guys, and if you follow GME, you know that that the attempt to close this gap was already there. When we switch here to the 4 hours chart and we saw this May short squeeze here, you can see we traded already at $80. So the attempt to close the gap at $72 was already there. So the chance that we see a daily candle going back to $70 is there, guys, is there, yeah. And that would mean if we just concentrate on this price action here, that would still make here a squeeze of about 200%. This is also not in MOAS, guys, but this is also something where shorts already start to cover some of their positions. Yeah, I don't say that this is the MOAS or whatsoever. I just talk here about a technical squeeze. And if we want to see a short squeeze, we can check that also here in the 4 hours chart. You can see that literally it's not only $30. There is one resistance level, very strong resistance level at $63, guys. Here is, in my opinion, this is the main resistance for the algos. And when GameStop can break here $63, $64, guys, if we can break this price level with volume, yes, guys, then we can talk about a short squeeze or even a MOAS. Then we can talk here about even 3-digit price ranges. I'm not here to hype you up, guys. It is not a perfect setup to buy in for GameStop right now. I released, as I said, my videos here. My members have been alerted here because that was my buying zone. That was my blue box here where I expected the price to come down. And I said, when the price is coming down to this box, then there is a very high chance to see a short squeeze. The market makers, guys, always get the lowest possible price. And what does that mean? When we switch here to the RSI, then we know the RSI, yes, has been oversold. We had support here on the 200 days moving average in the chart, but this is not the perfect situation yet. The market makers want blood. They want to bleed the stock out. They want to shake you out of their positions before they start to cover. But if something happens next week, the market should turn bearish in September. Statistic wise, September is the most bearish month in trading, guys, in the market here. That's why I don't expect too much for September. But if GameStop breaks $24.06, then we have at least a chance to go back to $33, or even, as I said, when we break this price range here. Also, here's one small resistance waiting here at $42, but $64, guys, is the make it or break it price level where you can expect a MOAS to happen if we break this level. The chance is there. The chance is there right now when we can continue with this volume here on Monday and finally break this price range here. As I said, when you go for in the 4 hours chart, you can see that how the bulls and bears, you know, it's almost looks like a double top pattern here, which is of course not bullish. And yes, guys, there are many open gaps to the downside. So sooner or later, it doesn't matter if GameStop would squeeze next week or not. Sooner or later, GameStop will come down to $20, $17, and even lower. But this is a different story, guys. First, we have to concentrate here on the attempt to go back over this bullish price level here, guys. Yeah. Guys, if you like this content here, if you like what I'm showing you here, and if you don't want to miss any short squeeze updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now, guys. Yeah, I upload here every day short squeeze content. And of course, if you also want to see my hot stocks here and all the other member content, as I say, I also upload a lot of content for AMC and GameStop for members only, guys. Just join in here. The memberships, the link is in the video description, guys. And if you want to copy the price levels here, if you want to learn trading, guys, this is my main purpose, then you can use here my discount link for TradingView. I am not sponsored by TradingView, but many people already using this link because they know that you need to know how the chart is working to make here some profits in the market. Otherwise, it's just gambling. The chance is just 50-50, and when you buy in too high, then it can take years until you get your money back. So please, guys, use this link here to save $15 and get your own TradingView subscription. I always recommend here the premium subscription. This is very good for beginners and advanced traders and the most value for your money, guys. So guys, that was my update on GameStop. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great success, a nice Sunday, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Schönen Sonntag. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.